In this video, we're sewing a super simple and cute cosmetic bag using free pattern and step-by-step tutorial. Hello, I'm Anna, a toy pattern designer. I create sewing patterns and tutorials for soft dolls and plush toys made from fabric. But recently, I felt like trying something a little different. Together with my friend Karina, we designed a cosmetic bag, or a small pouch, for all kinds of little things. The pattern and sewing process are very beginner-friendly. No special materials required. We had such a lovely time making this pouch, and I hope you'll enjoy sewing it just as much. You can find the free pattern and tutorial in the description below. I wish you a relaxing and joyful sewing experience. For this cosmetic bag, we like using cotton, but any medium weight fabric will work nicely. Very stiff or heavy fabrics aren't recommended. They can make turning the pouch right side out tricky at the final step. Print the template. The main part of the bag consists of 4 pattern pieces. Align and glue them together using the numbered circles as a guide. Once everything is assembled, transfer all markings onto your fabric and cut out the pieces. Double-check that you've cut and prepared everything you need. Take one pocket piece, fold one long edge to the wrong side by 1 centimeter, then fold it again by another 1 centimeter. Press and sew along the folded edge. Repeat for the second pocket. Now, pin one of the pockets to the lining, right sides together, using the placement lines you transferred earlier. The edge of the pocket should extend about 5 millimeters past the line. Sew along the long edge, 5 millimeters from the top. Repeat with the second pocket. If placed correctly, the pockets will slightly overlap. Press them in opposite directions, then stitch the short edges to hold them in place. Take the handle and loop pieces. Fold each in half lengthwise, right sides in. Sew along the edge with a 5 millimeter seam allowance. Turn them right side out and press. Pin the handle and loop onto the right side of the pouch's outer fabric, using the markings on the pattern for reference. They should be centered along the long sides of the pouch. Stitch them in place with a 5 millimeter seam allowance. Place the zipper right sides together with the outer pouch piece, aligning the zipper's beginning with the fabric edge. Lay the lining on top, right sides facing the main fabric. Sew through all layers along the zipper edge. Sewing through all 3 layers at once can be tricky. To make it easier, you can first sew the zipper to the lining and then stitch all the layers together. Now repeat with the other side of the zipper. Take the remaining edges of the outer and lining fabrics, sandwich the zipper between them, right sides together, and sew again. Here's how it should look. Fold the pouch like this and unzip the zipper slightly. Align the edges so that the zipper is centered. Sew both side seams using the markings as a guide. Now form the bottom corners into triangles and sew across them to box the shape. Leave one corner on the lining side open. This will be used to turn the pouch right side out. Carefully turn the pouch through the opening. Tuck in the open corner and close it with a ladder stitch. Your cosmetic bag is ready! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It truly means a lot to me. You can find the link to this free pattern and many others in the description below. Happy sewing!